Hi, welcome to Julie's Yard and Garden. Today I'm going to talk to you about making a no-water flower bed. For lots of years, the area behind me was just a bunch of weeds until I started to learn about water-wise gardening. I selected just a few plants, put them in the ground, and got them established. And after that first summer, I didn't have to water it and I didn't have to weed it. And it was the most maintenance-free spot in my yard, and it was fabulous to have because every time I walked by it, I knew I didn't have to do anything with it. It doesn't matter where you live in the country, you will always be able to find plants that are native or acclimated to your area. And if you work specifically with those plants and plants that are good in the type of soil that you have, then you will end up with an extremely maintenance-free flower bed. The plants that I had in here before, one of them I split to share with my mom, and it didn't like the fact that I split it. It died here and is living happily at my mom's house. And the other two plants just lived to the end of their lifespan. Now behind this fence is actually sitting on top of a retaining wall, and when I would turn the sprinklers on, it would run through the cracks in the retaining wall, and it looked like it was starting to compromise the retaining wall. So I have not watered this flower bed in over 15 years, and the plants that I put here, once they're established, can work with just the rain that falls on them naturally. I am just putting a little tiny bit of raised bed and in-ground soil into the holes that I am digging, just to give the plants a little bit better soil to kind of grow into. And here it is finished. This is an example of a no-water flower bed. Right along the retaining wall. This area does not have any sprinklers in it. These plants were watered long enough to get them established, and now the rain just takes care of them. This is another example of a mature no-water flower bed. I hope you've learned something new today that you can use later on. Until next time, grow something you love and just have fun with it.